Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened slightly higher at 10,720.85, with energy shares providing support as investors continue to monitor risks around the Strait of Hormuz. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged 0.01% higher, while Germany's DAX fell 0.4% as geopolitical concerns weighed on sentiment. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 26,644.91, while the S&P 500 also fell to 7,745.06. In company news, government technology specialist MadeTech raised its FY27 guidance after securing a record £40 million government contract. Meanwhile, mineral explorer Great Western Mining has begun a major drilling program at its Nevada tungsten project. Against sterling, the US dollar, Swiss franc, euro and Japanese yen weakened marginally, while the Australian dollar strengthened. Bitcoin rose slightly. In commodities, copper and gold moved lower, Brent crude edged down, while natural gas gained. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great Tuesday.